color. This is Ethan. He's the youngest, of course. This is Liam. He's the middle child. And I'm Liana, the oldest child. Of course, the oldest. Ha, 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 ha. What? So today we're going to make
an underwater sand building kit.
Science Sqaud. So, yeah, who cares about chemistry?
So we're going to open this
toys. So just saying, if you don't know, he's 4, he's 35, stop it. So he might be cray over there.
Okay. So the kit includes one bag of orange sand.
I'll get the bowl.
One bag of blue sand. One bag of the green sand. A craft bottle, a tray, and instructions. It also comes with a poster. So let's open this up.
Yeah, let me just do it. I'll get the scissors.
Okay.
Scissors?
So here's the bottle it was talking about. Then all of the sand. The instructions or the poster, and then the tray. Okay, so
maracas. Okay, you can
step 1. Cover your work area with newspaper or large sheets of paper, and wear old clothes or a smock.
Yeah, because first of all, you don't want your table getting stained. Second of all, you don't want your clothing getting stained. And third of all, don't be messy. So I'm going to get some newspaper.
Go.
Okay, we're back.
We covered our table with newspaper.
Yeah.
Step 2. Fill the square tray 3 to 4 full with water.
3 to 4.
It's a fraction. I don't really know how to read fractions yet.
None of us do.
3 fraction 4 full with water.
Mommy, can you please get the measuring cup? That's 3 to 4. Okay, we had some difficulties. First of all, I can't reach up to the pantry,
okay.
Of course, because I'm small and tiny, of course.
Okay, so step 2.
We got the cup.
Step 2. Fill the square tray with 3/4 full with water. We got a measuring cup that measures 3/4.
I'll get it. Okay, we got the water.
We got the water.
That looks fine. Okay, can I read step number 3? Using the one color at a time, cut the corner of the sand packet and carefully pour the contents into the open craft bottle. Then screw the cap back onto the bottle and you're ready to create some water under art. So you could be like a Picasso right here. You can just make a big fat castle. Ooh, I like this poster, Mommy. I'm just gonna hang this in my room, like.
Okay,
yeah.
We got some technical difficulties.
Of course we do.
This is some thick packaging.
Okay, so first of all, we're having lots of technical difficulties in our first video, but who cares? First time, no, with the try, and not everything has to be perfect, really. Okay, so Liam chose the color blue, and he should have used, what's it called again? Cone pylon thingy, where you put it in and then pour it in so it doesn't cause the
Okay. So step 3. Using one color at a time, cut the corner of the sand packet and carefully pour the contents into the open craft bottle. Then screw the cap back onto the bottle and then you're ready to create some underwater art. Use the craft bottle to slowly pour the sand into the water in a continuous stream. Move the sand around when pouring to create different shapes and patterns. Repeat these same steps with the other 2 remaining sand colors. Okay. So I'm going to try and create a river. So
Whoa, leave that alone. Are you sure this is going to work?
Yep.
Let me try. Wait. Get in! No! Okay.
Okay.
Did you pour in all of it?
All of it. So I'm gonna try and make a river.
Yeah, well, it's not 3. Why isn't it turning 3D?
Like on step 6, if you read the instructions, it says try and touch the sand. What happens?
Well, first of all, it's dry. That's cool because usually it would have got sucked.
It's actually dry. I can't feel the water.
Oh. Well, over here you can,
But if I pick it up, then it's like,
oh my God! No, Mom, bring in the camera. Look, when you pick it up, it's like leaving a big hole. Do you guys see that?
so like if you pick that up,
It's like gonna leave a hole.
oh my God, look.
That's so
right
cool.
here.
There's no water. I swear, there's no water there. Oh my God, that's
you can
cool.
make a boat with this.
Oh, just saying this video is not sponsored.
Oh, it's not fun.
So if you would like, you could buy the underwater sand building kit.
Found in Dollar Tree.
Well, our Dollar Tree near us, of course. And Science Sqaud. There's chemistry, and experimenting. So if you really like science, you would get this. And if you can figure this out, comment down below if you can figure what's happening here. If you like what you see here, like, subscribe,
Hydrophobic.
well, I don't care what the word is, and ring the bell so you can stay posted. Bye!
And always watch Ashley Sex videos or Homebrewing, whatever.
So bye!
Bye.